doing the Pearl Pass from Crested Butte to Aspen today. I guess there's some pretty gnarly sections. I got no worries. We got these Terra Commanders underneath us, so it's going to be a great day. Everything's going great until about mile 10. My buddy Corey got a leak from one of the hoses from this power steering, and fixed that, put some more fluid in there, but she's still screaming. Making a beat.
Things can do.
I'd say this pass, this one has surpassed Schofield in my opinion. It's got a little variety of everything: rock gardens, snow patches, wet slate, everything. We had a beautiful lake, and I'm running the Kanati Terra Commanders. I've had a great day.